Veronica's drinking her milk out of her bowl. Are you drinking more milk? Is it good? You want to see Veronica? Well, why don't you drink your milk some more, and then when you're done drinking your milk, you can see Veronica. Any drippage? No, don't stick your hand in there. Is it gone? Let's see if it's gone. Whoa, it really is gone. You did a good job. Okay, I'll show you Veronica. Is she upside down? Did you like that milk? Was that good milk? Yeah, Veronica. Was that milk good?
Yeah.
Did you eat cereal too?
Yeah.
Whoa! I think you really like that. Yep. Say bye-bye, Veronica.
Bye-bye.
Do you want to go upstairs and go on the potty? Do you want to go on the potty and brush your teeth and watch Wonder Pets? Do you? Do you want to go on the potty? Want to go get on the potty? Oh, did you find a stray cereal?